They say legends don't roll in quietly, and the 2021 Lamborghini Urus Venatus proves it the moment it appears. It doesn't arrive. It erupts. The front is a masterpiece of aggression and elegance, with sharp angles that look carved by lightning and air intakes that breathe pure performance. The lines slice through the air like motion frozen in time, every curve designed with purpose. The matte metallic paint gleams under sunlight like liquid steel, refusing to blend in. The massive, forged wheels grip the ground like claws, radiating strength and stability. Even at rest, the Venatus feels alive. It stands wide, confident, almost defiant. Step inside, and the chaos outside fades to nothing. The cabin feels like entering another dimension, where craftsmanship meets technology, and power meets perfection. Hand-stitched Italian leather wraps every inch, its touch soft, yet commanding. Carbon fiber glimmers under subtle ambient lighting that seems to pulse with your heartbeat. The seats, sculpted for both comfort and control, hold you in a perfect balance of luxury and intent. The dashboard comes alive with precision. Digital displays, sharp graphics, and an infotainment system that feels as intuitive as instinct. Every control is placed exactly where your hand expects it to be. Every detail designed to obey your will. The steering wheel feels like an extension of you, fusing driver and machine in one shared rhythm. Then comes the moment. The ignition. The engine doesn't start. It awakens. 900 horsepower of untamed energy surges to life, growling through the exhaust with raw, commanding authority. On the road, the Venatus doesn't just move, it conquers. It bends air. It defies limits. It turns every stretch of asphalt into a statement of intent. The 2021 Lamborghini Urus Venatus isn't just a vehicle. It's a declaration. A fusion of art, power, and precision, built for those who don't seek attention but naturally command it. It's not about arrival. It's about impact. Because when the Venatus moves, the world watches.